pies, custards, cake. Welcome to Baker's Dozen. I'm Tamera Mowry-Housley, avid home baker.
I'm Bill Yosses, former White House executive pastry chef.
Show off. We've gathered 13 of the most amazing bakers, experienced professionals.
I went to Le Cordon Bleu.
I went to pastry school out in Tustin.
Or talented home bakers.
I got started in baking during Corona.
I'm a molecular biologist.
5 years ago, I was almost homeless. I taught myself how to make chocolates, and people said, "You're not gonna make it." I'm all, watch me.
Oh my goodness, I have chills.
I have goosebumps.
We want to find the best baker out there. Can an avid home baker go up against a professionally trained baker and win it all?
Knowing the experience of some of these people, it's a little intimidating.
That's really good.
It's just a cookie.
That's my line.
Panic time.
An intense 3 rounds of competition. Are you kidding me?
Close to perfection.
Yeah. Who will take home the grand prize? And the golden rolling pin.
This is a girl's dream.
But not everyone will survive. We gotta taste this. You bit off more than you can chew.
I just dropped my cake batter.
What?
Well, this is a disaster.
Oh,
Did it get hard?
it won't even cut.
We are in a sift-off. I think I just won, though. Sorry.
This just got real.
I've never done anything this big before.
The chai flavor is spot on.
You have a gift. Bakers, your time is up.
Damn, Bill. You ate the whole thing.
Somebody stop me. Okay. Cheers.